Welcome to vSkills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the 10 best online courses and certifications to start your career in inventory management. Before we begin, first we will discuss who is an inventory manager, and then, his roles and responsibilities. So, let's understand, who is an inventory manager? An inventory manager manages their employer's products, supplies, and matters. They usually oversee inventory auditors, warehouse staff and cooperate with members of various departments within the business. To become a successful inventory manager, one should learn how to improve productivity, efficiency, quality and the dependability of your inventory. Some of the roles and responsibilities of an inventory manager are: computing inventory monitoring or supply chain software tools to carefully track stock levels, carrying regular cycle counts to limit available inventory, obtaining extra inventory when plants are low, sourcing suppliers and managing relationships with them, arranging inventory for distribution or shipping to customers. So, let's get started with the best courses and certifications. First is vSkills Certified Inventory Manager. vSkills is India's largest certification body. It provides government certification and is valid for a lifetime. This course includes 13 learning hours. The course tests you on various grounds in economic order: quantity, known or uncertain demand models, forecasting demand, aggregate planning, master schedules and just-in-time. The concepts covered in this course are: inventory management, stores management, facilities location, facilities layout, materials handling, and more. Second is operations management, inventory management by Udemy. The course on inventory management is part of the Operations Management Training Program. This course includes continuous support and motivation from the instructors, 1.5 learning hours and full lifetime access. The concepts covered in this course are: understanding inventory, advantages of managing inventory, types of inventory, inventory management in services, and more. Third is Applied Operations Management Inventory Models by Allison. In this course, you will learn how to determine the frequency of ordering to keep goods flowing to the customer without interruption. By the end of this course, you will be able to use inventory models such as the EOQ model. The concepts covered in this course are: introduction to inventory management, understanding the EOQ model, and more. Fourth is Inventory Courses by Coursera. In this course, you will learn about the key concepts like inventory levels, types of inventory and the uses of inventory. You can take beginners level courses and then gradually move towards intermediate and advanced levels. The concepts covered in this course are: inventory analytics, supply chain management specialization, introduction to operations management, operations and supply chain decisions, and more. Fifth is Supply Chain Fundamentals, Inventory Management by Georgia Tech Professional Education. In this course, you will learn the key components of inventory control and management, including inventory cost components, types and uses of inventory, planning inventory levels, maintaining inventory accuracy, and metrics and roles associated with inventory management. The concepts covered in this course are: introduction to inventory management, monitoring and analyzing inventory management, inventory control, inventory management and forecasting, and more. Sixth is Warehouse Management, Advanced Diploma QLS Level 5 by Oxford Home Study. In this course, you will learn about the functions and objectives of warehouse operations at a superior level, along with the duties and responsibilities of key warehousing personnel. This course provides 450 learning hours. The concepts covered in this course are: introduction to warehouses, types of warehouses, functions of warehouses, warehouse operations and systems, and more. Seventh is Certified in Production and Inventory Management by ASCM. In this course, you will learn how to effectively manage disruptions, demand variations and supply chain risk. You'll get the knowledge to better respond to supply disruptions, demand variations, and manage supply chain risk. The concepts covered in this course are: basics of supply chain management, strategic management of resources, master planning of resources, detailed scheduling and planning, and more. Eighth is Warehouse Management Online Course and Certificate by Technology ED. In this course, you will learn the elements of warehousing strategy, new warehousing technologies, management issues, warehousing planning, warehouse cost management, and many more. The duration of the course is 20 hours. The concepts covered in this course are: Role of the warehouse in the supply chain. Elements of warehousing strategy. New warehousing technologies. Warehouse functions, and more. Ninth is Inventory Management Foundations by LinkedIn Learning. This is a beginner-level course that teaches how business inventory is managed. This is a very short course, so if you want to get the basic information about inventory management, then this course is for you. The concepts covered in this course are: understanding inventory, inventory control systems, understanding inventory management, inventory analytical tools, and more. 10th is Inventory and Portfolio Management by EDX. This is an introductory level course. You will learn to manage businesses and meet your clients' expectations while optimizing time, money, avoiding waste and making the right decisions on your investments. The duration of the course is 5 weeks. The concepts covered in this course are: designing a product portfolio, inventory management, collaboration and technology in inventories, storage management, and more. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.